Hey everyone, I'm here with a low-calorie, healthy and yummy breakfast. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons barley, 1 glass of water, half a glass of milk, banana, almond, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon chia seed. Cook barley and water for 1 hour on low heat.
One hour later.
Add milk. Cook for another half an hour.
Many minutes later.
Pour into a dish. Put the sliced banana on it. Put almonds on the barley. Pour chia seed and honey. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.